Can you hear me?
Biết chưa?
Can you please speak louder?
Cô nói gì phải nghe thấy gì hả?
Please speak again. Hi. I can hear you. I can hear you already.
Cô nói nghe là tao nghe.
Can you hear me? Check.
Tiếng cái này tắt tiếng đi.
I can hear you already, but can you hear me? Am I not clear? Hi.
Tao nói với cô đi.
Can you hear me
Nói đi.
now? Okay. Am I clear?
Tao nghe.
You can't hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay. Now I can hear you because your voice is louder than the earlier. So shall we start?
Okay.
How are you?
I'm 10 years old.
I mean, how are you? How?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank
Wait.
you. And you?
Again? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know me already?
I'm so ready.
What's my name again?
I'm so ready.
I mean, what's my name again? Am I not clear?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes. Again, I am Teacher Rajet.
I can hear you and I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So, what's your name?
My name is Bùi Diệu Ảnh.
How do you pronounce it?
Spell it.
Pronounce. You say it again.
My name is Diệp Ảnh.
Japan. Okay. So, let's start our discussion for tonight. Are you
Yes.
ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see the screen?
I'm I can't see a key.
Just laptop ko problema. Okay, is it clear now?
Okay, I can see.
You can see it already. Okay. So last time, what did we discuss? If you can remember. Can you remember?
Yes.
What did we talk about?
We talk about sports.
Sports. Very good. You have a very good memory. So tonight, we will talk about the things that you do. Okay. So at the end of this lesson, you will learn how to talk about where you live and how to talk about jobs. Have you heard about the word job?
I don't know.
Job. It's a work. Okay. What does your mother do? What's the work of mom or dad?
My dad is a chef.
A chef. What about mom?
My mom is
A housewife.
photographer.
Photographer. Oh, so the photographer and chef is called jobs, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have the warm-up exercise. You listen and repeat these words in sentences and sentences. Okay, can you read?
Tokyo.
Again?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. And the next line?
I live in Tokyo.
I live in Tokyo.
I live in Tokyo.
Okay, very good. Next. Tokyo is the capital city of? Do you know?
Is
The capital city of Japan.
Tokyo.
Japan. Okay. Next.
Seoul.
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 Again, Seoul.
Seoul.
With letter L.
Seoul.
Seoul. Okay. I live in?
I live in Seoul.
Okay, Seoul. Seoul is the capital city of?
In Korea.
Okay, South?
I don't know.
South Korea. Okay, you remember that, Again, what
Yes.
is the capital city of South Korea? Capital city of
Bang
South Korea? The
Bangkok. Bangkok.
no, it's Seoul.
Seoul.
Okay. Next line, we have the
Bangkok.
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 Bangkok again.
Bangkok.
Okay. Read the sentence.
I live in Bangkok.
Okay, very good. Bangkok is the capital city of
Thailand.
Thailand. Very good. You got it right. Okay, next is
Không phải nói cả câu Bangkok in Thailand. Taipei.
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 Okay. I live in Taipei.
I live in Taipei.
Taipei is the capital city of
I don't
you don't know?
know.
It's Taiwan. Do you know Taiwan?
Yes.
Okay. The capital city of Taiwan is Taipei.
Taipei.
Okay. Okay. So, capital city of Taiwan. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's proceed. While here, oh, hindi na siya nalibot.
Capital city in Taiwan.
Capital city of Taiwan is Taipei again.
Taipei.
Okay.
Taipei, capital city of Taiwan.
Okay. Let's delete it. Next is
I live in Taipei.
where do you live?
What?
Where do you live? You answer this question.
Where do you live?
Okay, so where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, what's the capital city of Vietnam?
Hanoi.
Again,
I live
the capital city.
I in the
I live in
I live in
Vietnam.
I live in Vietnam.
The capital city
The capital city
of Vietnam
of Vietnam
is,
what
is it?
Hanoi.
Okay, very good. So here, let's read again. And let's answer the best option on the screen. Okay, so where do you live? What's this place?
I live in
Here. Let's go back from the top. This picture shows
Bangkok.
this is Seoul.
Seoul.
This one is Tokyo. This one is Seoul.
Seoul. Seoul.
Seoul. This one is
Bangkok.
okay, and this one is Taipei.
Taipei.
Okay, so if you can remember, where do you live? What's this picture? Or where is this picture? This is?
I live in Bangkok.
Okay, very good. Next one, I live in?
I live in Seoul.
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 Okay, don't forget that. This one?
I live in Tokyo.
Very good. And the last picture?
I live in Taipei.
Oh, Taipei.
Taipei.
Okay, again, live.
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 Okay. So let's proceed here. Listen and repeat these sentences. What does the picture show? What is the job of the woman?
Nurses.
Okay, she is?
She is a nurses.
How many nurses are there in the picture?
3,
I mean, in this first picture.
1.
Okay, one. So if there is only one, what will we use? Singular or plural? She is a
Nurses.
nurse. Nurse only without S. Okay, because she is only one. Okay, talking about the second picture, how many nurses are there?
2 nurses are there.
How many?
2.
Two. Okay, so if there are two or more nurses that you can see in the picture, you can say nurses. Okay. Nurses. Okay, again, if there is only one, you call it
Nurses.
if there is only one, you call it
1
nurse. There is many, there are many, you call it
nurses.
nurses. Okay? You get it?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed. Next. What do you think is the job of the woman?
He is a teacher.
Again?
She is a teacher.
Okay, very good. Where is the teacher working?
She works in school.
Okay, very good. She works in school. Let's proceed. What's this place?
offices.
Okay, office. So what do you call a person working in the office?
She is a office worker.
Okay. She is an office worker. If the word starts with O or A, E, I, O, and U, you will use an before it. Okay. But if the word starts with any consonant like W, you can use A or A. Okay, can you please read?
He works in an office.
She is a worker. You read,
She
please.
she is a worker.
And the other one below.
She is an office worker.
Okay, very good. Next, what's this?
Um,
A
can
sto
you
store.
can you okay. He he is a store check.
Clerk. Clerk again.
Clerk.
Again.
He is a store clerk.
Clerk.
Clerk. Store clerk.
Okay. He works in.
A store.
Again, you read.
He works in a store.
Okay, very good. Based on the picture, what do you do?
I am an off office worker.
Very good. Where do you work?
I work in office.
Okay, in an office. Number 2, what do you do?
I am a I'm a store cleaner.
Clerk.
Store clerk.
Clerk. Okay. And where do you work?
I work in the store.
Okay, very good. Let's read the dialogue for the last time. I will be Arisa and you are Haruto. Okay, good evening.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Haruto. What's your name?
Again, my name is Haruto.
My name is Haruto.
What
What
is your
is
name?
your name?
Okay, my name is Arisa. Nice to meet you, Haruto.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you live?
I live in Tokyo. How about you?
Tokyo, Gabi.
I live in Tokyo. How about you?
Okay. I live in Bangkok. What do you do?
I am a nurse.
Do you see an S?
I am a nurse.
Okay, very good. Really? Wow, where do you work?
I work in a hospital. How about you, Arisa? Where are you a teacher?
Again, I work in a hospital.
I work in a hospital. How about you, Arisa? Are you a teacher?
Hospital.
Hospital.
Okay. No, I'm not. I am an office worker. I work in an office.
Cool. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Okay, do you love the conversation? Okay. At the last activity, let us identify whether or what is the right response to the statement. Okay, number 1, please read.
Good evening.
Okay, what's the answer?
Can you?
Okay,
Okay. Hello. Good
okay.
evening. Hello.
Oh, yeah. Next, are you?
Are you a store clerk? Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Oh, what about this next? Yes,
Yes, I do. Do you work in an office?
okay, very good. Next,
I am a nurse. What what do you do?
okay, correct. Next,
Are you a teacher? Yes, I do.
and the last one.
You can get up. No, I'm not. Are you an office worker?
Okay, very good. So you got it all right. So what did you learn from our discussion tonight?
Is a have a work and what do you do?
And
Have a places.
what? You've learned about?
A places and a job.
Okay, places and jobs.
Job.
So when you grow up, what do you want to do?
I when I grow up, I want to be a chef.
Chef also because?
Chef.
Chef. Chef. Okay. Why do you want to become a chef?
I don't want to be cooking all along every day.
Okay. So I hope someday you become a very good chef. Okay. So you can reach that by studying well, and let's meet again next meeting to improve your skills in what do you want to learn next meeting?
Mm, uh, I don't know.
Okay, let's just see what are the topics left in your book, okay? So for tonight, that would be all. I hope you enjoyed our class,
Yes.
okay? Do you have any question?
What you like?
This is what I do in my life. I'm teaching. I
Ah,
am a teacher.
and what are you live?
Where
Where
do
where
you
you
where do
where
you live?
where do you live?
Okay, I live in the Philippines.
Mm,
Okay. Have you heard about the Philippines?
I'm not sure.
Do you want to visit Philippines?
I want to visit Philippines, but I don't have money.
Me too. I want to visit Vietnam, but I don't have money too. When you become a chef, you can visit Philippines and discover a lot of food recipes here. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So tonight that's all. Good night. Goodbye.
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 Good night.
You
Bye.
too. See you again on Wednesday.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.